Tired of running out of credits on Kling AI? What if I told you there's a way to keep the credits flowing, like unlimited? Yep, unlimited Kling AI credits. Let's get into it. Kling AI turns your ideas into awesome AI videos, but every video costs credits, and those credits run out fast. No worries, I'm about to show you how to keep them coming. This trick is simple and anyone can do it. You just gotta know where to look and what to do. Ready? Let's go. First, open a new tab and head over to this site. Don't worry, no fake emails, no complicated hacks, and definitely no need to create multiple Gmail accounts or chase verification codes. Here's how it works. On this site, there's a box where you just type in your main email address. That's right, your real email. I'll type mine in now. Next, hit the button that says Generate Variations. Just like that, you'll get thousands of email variations all tied to your base email. Check this out. Over 8,000 different versions you can use to sign up or log in to Kling AI as new accounts. This method is legit. You're not faking anything, just generating alternate email IDs that still deliver to your inbox. Now pick any of those email variations, copy one, and head over to Kling AI. If you haven't already, go to the homepage and click Create or head straight to the sign-in page. Before signing in, open an incognito window or private browsing mode. This is super important because it gives you a fresh session every time, no saved cookies or data. In incognito, go back to Kling AI, click Sign In, and paste the email variation you copied. And just like that, you're in. A fresh new account with brand new credits. Set a strong password you'll remember, fill in any other required info, then complete the security verification. It might be a quick image check or CAPTCHA. Kling AI will send a verification code to your original email, so check your inbox, grab the code, enter it, and you're all set. Repeat this process with different email variations whenever you run low on credits. Unlimited credits, simple and clean. Now you're ready to make unlimited AI videos on Kling AI. Smash that like button if this helped, and drop your craziest video ideas in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI hacks and tips.